Hello, everybody. Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I want to give you a quick command tip on how you can add a neighborhood nurture to anyone in your database. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you and let's get started. So in command, the first thing you need to make sure that you do is have that contact in your database, obviously. When you go into that contact, you need to make sure that you have their email in there and also their address. So there's a few ways you can do that. When you're in contacts, you can go to add contact, fill out the information, make sure their email's in here. Okay. And then when you scroll down here, you click add more information and additional contact information. So once you go here, this is where you can add in their personal mailing address, okay? Once you have that saved in there, you can click create. So now you have that person in your database. So the second step is to make sure that you have the Smart Plan downloaded. So to download the Smart Plan, you go right here to the paper with the settings gear, and that's Smart Plans. And then you go to Library, and then we're just going to search for Neighborhood. And then you can choose between the biweekly Neighborhood Nurture or the monthly Neighborhood Nurture. Obviously, the biweekly is every 2 weeks, and the monthly is once a month. So if it's a really hot lead that's actively thinking about selling their house, I would put them on the biweekly neighborhood nurture, and monthly neighborhood nurture is great for anyone in your database. So just make sure you click add Smart Plan and then download right here. I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to skip that part. Once you have it downloaded, it will appear in My Smart Plans over here, okay? So to add people to this Smart Plan, when you go to contacts, you can do it a few different ways. If you already know this is the person that I want to add, I can click here and bulk action pops up. I can click that and click add to Smart Plan. And then I can go down here and find my neighborhood Smart Plan. Obviously, I have a lot of Smart Plans in here, so you can type that to help it pull up and select and start now. And then it's always going to give you this, just confirming that you want to do this, and just click confirm. Okay. That's one way. Now, if you had multiple people that wanted to be added, once again, just click on the people that you want added to that Smart Plan. Same thing. Click bulk action, add to Smart Plan, and find it and add them to it. So there's another way you can add them. If you're inside the contact record right here, you just go to Smart Plans right here and then add them directly to that Smart Plan from here. So there's a few different ways there. Now, one last tip, when you are in the contact record, if you don't have their physical mailing address, which keep in mind, you can always look on Realist Tax and a lot of times find the address there. If you can't find their address though, you can click add neighborhood and either search for their neighborhood name here if you know it, or if you have a generic idea of where they live, maybe you know they're somewhere right here, you could just choose one of these, select that and save. And then that's going to add their neighborhood in here so they could be added to that Smart Plan. So this is what the Smart Plan looks like. It is all auto-populated with your contact information here at the top. And then it has market data live from the MLS about their home. Okay. I'm sorry, their neighborhood. It's a Friday afternoon, y'all. I'm sorry, my brain is not working. So it has live market data about their neighborhood in here. This is a very soft approach to lead generating. meaning it's not a pushy email. You can send this out to everyone in your database because you are educating them about what is happening in their neighborhood. And let's be honest, we're all nosy. We like to know what house is for sale in our neighborhood, how much it is listed for, and what does the inside look like? Because we've all always wondered what our neighbors' houses look like, right? So it's a great option. It shows them the data. They can click Explore Neighborhood, and it takes them right to your website so that they can see what homes are active for sale right now and the prices. And they can also click on the pictures and explore more all about all of these homes. Okay. And so that's a really nice feature. And lastly, when you scroll down here, you'll see your information at the bottom. They can download your realtor app, and that is it, you guys. So definitely take advantage of this smart plan. Like I said, it's a very soft lead generation approach, but it's so successful because you are reminding them that you are a realtor and giving them great information about their neighborhood. Okay. If you need any help at all, I'm always here. Have a great day.